Hello and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host Alex Morin, and man do I ever have a refreshing promo idea for you today that revolves around mints. Yes, mints. Oh, don't turn this video off because you think you know everything about mints. I'm telling you, have I got something spectacular for you today, brought to you by a company called Promotunity, a company that's based in Boston, Massachusetts. Now, Promotunity is revolutionizing the world of mints because when you go to a trade show, you get yourself a packet of mints. They're always being given away at different booths. I love mints as a giveaway. Normally it's because I've just had a burrito lunch, my breath stinks, I want some mints. But when I open that tin, they're always circular, they're always square. Some companies will actually go above and beyond and create a custom shape like a heart or something. But what if I told you that Promotunity is the only company in the industry that is customizing the shape and the design on the mints? What? Mind blowing? Yes, of course it is. Let me give you an example of how creative companies are actually using this promo. In this example here, a hair salon decided to use mints. When I think of a hair salon, I'm thinking scissors, I'm thinking combs and brushes, and I might even be thinking hair dryers. So here's the deal. You walk into the hair salon, you get your hair done, and the person who did it says, hey, take a packet of mints home. You open them up, and holy smokes, every single mint is in the shape of a hair dryer. Right? Is that not so darn cool? Now, that's even half of the story. That's it, just half of the story. The other half is that you can actually personalize every single one of these tins. Is that not amazing? So oftentimes at a salon, you're gonna have many people that work in the salon and they rent the chairs. So what if the owner of the salon said, hey, anyone wanna buy mints for their customers? And I'm like, yeah, I'll take 100. Oh, you're taking 100, you're taking 200, you're taking 300, awesome. Now I can put my name on there and I can put my phone number. When somebody gets their haircut, I give them the tin, they go home, they love the mints, they're eating them all the time. Who do you think they're gonna call next time they wanna get their haircut? Yeah, you got it, they're calling me because my name, my phone number is on that tin. So many other cool things you can do with this promo as well. Check this out, custom packaging, right? Is that not so cool? Okay, want another example? Yeah, right? You can do some amazing things with custom packaging, but by far my favorite is this one. Hey, the last time I went to buy myself a pair of shoes, they came in a box that looked exactly like that. Exactly like that. I opened the box, there's my shoes. In this case, you open your custom box and you've got mints in the shape of shoes. If you are looking for a wow promotion, or if you are looking for something different that I am told has a significant reorder rate, you want to look at these mints. And you're probably asking, Alex, tell us what flavors they come in. All right, they come in 2 flavors, a combination of spearmint peppermint, or you can get them in cinnamon. For the upcharge, you can personalize, or you can also have them wrapped in a plastic. So tons of things you can do this, not to mention those custom packaging ideas that I was just talking about. Man, I love this promotional idea from a great company called Promotunity. I'm Alex from Promonoise. I want to thank you for your time. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Please share this video with your friends and your colleagues if you love it. And I can't wait for the next video to share our next unbelievable promo idea with you. Have a terrific day, and we'll see you again soon.